is 8393 Fundamentals of Data Structures in C, presented by Anuja AP CSC, Rohini College of Engineering and Technology. Unit 1, second topic, compilation and linking process. First of all, the definition of compile and link a C program. So there are three basic phases occurred when we execute any C program. The first one is preprocessing, second one is compiling or assembler, third one is linking. The first phase is preprocessing phase, and C preprocessor is a program that accepts C code with preprocessing statement and produces a pure form of C code that contains no preprocessing statement like hash include. So that is the concept of preprocessing phase. So here we can take about the source file, then it will move on to the preprocessor, then give the output of preprocessor file. Then compilation phase. In C, compiler accepts a preprocessor output file from the preprocessor and produces a special file called an object file. The object file contains machine code generated from the program, right? So this is the basic diagram for compilation phase. Then linking phase. The link phase is implemented by the linker. The linker is the process that accepts as input object file and libraries to produce the final executable program. So this is the diagram for linking phase. Then the C processor can be split into four separate stages, that is preprocessing, compiling, assembly or linking. So this is the sample program for compilation process. Here we can declare the header file, then main function, then we can print some word, that is hello world. Then preprocessing, the first stage of compilation is called the preprocessing. So in this stage, lines starting with the hash character are interpreted by the preprocessor as preprocessor command. And these commands from the simple macro language with its own syntax and semantics. So it can reduce the repetition in the source code, invoke in line files, and defines macros and joining continued lines. And it removes the command. So this is a simple example for the preprocessing. Then compilation. In this stage, the preprocessor code is translated to assembly instruction. These form an intermediate readable language. Some compilers also supports the use of an integrated assembler in which the compilation stage generates machine code directly, and it avoiding the overhead of generating the intermediate assembly instructions and invoke the assembler, that is object code is directly produced by the compiler. Then assembly, during the assembly stage, an assembler is used to translate the assembly instructions to machine code or some object code. The output consists of actual instruction to be run by the target processor. So this is the example for assembler code. The linking, the object code generated in the assembly stage is composed of machine instructions that the processor understands, but some piece of the program are out of order or missing. So to produce an executable program, the existing piece have to be rearranged and the missing one file filled in, right? So this process is called as linking. So the result of this stage is the final executable program. So we can executable for the particular program name is .exe file. So this is an example for linking phase. Thank you.